How to make Discord guild tags. First, launch your Discord app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once you're in this page, at the left corner, you're gonna find your server. In case you don't have a server yet, you'll need to create one. For that, click on this plus option and select the option create your own server and go through the process. This step is super important because you need to be server owner to make those cool guild tags. Next, go ahead and join your server, and then we are heading straight to the server settings. Now on the left side, you will see the guild settings option. Click on it. Here, we will customize the entire vibe of your server. Now Discord will ask you to select a game. You can choose whether your guild is more casual or competitive. Totally up to you. After that, you can pick traits for your guild and server. These details will help new members understand what your server is all about. And don't forget to write a short description for anyone who joins. The guild badge. This is your guild tag, and you get to customize it however you like. It's like your server's identity, so make it stand out. You can add colors, logos, and whatever fits the vibe you are going for. If you want to add an extra level of customization, you can even set up an application for people who want to join your server. Add as many questions as you want to get the perfect members with that tag. If for some reason you don't see the guild tag option right away, you can join a special guild archive server. This server has a ton of guilds with various tags. Just click on one that you like, join the server, and then we will move on to the next step. Once you have joined the server and chosen a tag you love, head over to your user settings. Under Edit User Profile, scroll down until you see the option Server Tag section. From there, just select the tag you joined for the server. And that's it. You now have your very own Discord guild tag. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.